Welcome to the next session, how to use environment into your process or object. So till now we have seen how to define environment variable in system tab. Here we are going to call the environment variable into your process or object. So for that you have to follow the list of steps to call your process or object environment variable. First one is like go to the process or object where it is required to use. The next one is like use a data item. You can select the data item from the object or process toolbar. As soon as you select that, you have to open the data item properties where you will be able to see exposure as a value. You can be able to see below initial value and current value. In between that, you will have option called exposure. By default, it will be none. You have to switch that none to environment. You'll have one more option as a static. So out of all these three, you have to choose environment. So as soon as you choose environment, you will be able to see a drop down under name. Till that it will be a edit box. So as soon as you choose a type as environment, exposure type as environment, so that it will change as a drop down. So from the name drop down, you will be able to see list of environment variable which is defined in the process or object wherever you have selected. So you have to choose the environment name exactly what you defined in the system manager, because that will list in the drop down. Then click OK. So anyway, this is a theoretical part of how to use the environment variable. Coming up next, I'm going to show in a Process Studio how to call the environment variable which we have created. So I've opened one of the process where I'm going to call the environment variable. For that, you have to use the data item. Just use the data item and open the data item by double clicking it. You will have data properties pop up. So in this pop-up, first it will be the name will be editable one. After you changing the exposure type from none to environment, it will change the type as a drop down. The name editable box will be changed to drop down, where you can be able to select the list of environment variable which is available. So these are the environment variable which I have in my systems tab, so a system manager. So I'm going to use any one, just select that. It will show that environment variable which is available here. So this is how we can be able to call the environment variable into your process or object. Keep it in mind that you cannot be able to edit the value in your process or object studio. You can be able to edit the values of environment variable only in systems tab. As we have seen how to create the environment variable, the same place you have to go and edit if you want to change the value. So that's how we are going to use environment variable or call environment variable into our process or object studio. So see you in the next part.